Synthesia lets you create professional video with a realistic AI presenter speaking your script. No camera, no microphone, no studio. You type your content, pick an avatar, and the platform generates a finished video. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process from account creation to a finished, shareable video. Every step in order. Creating your account. Go to synthesia.io and click Get Started Free. Sign up with your Google account or enter an email and password. Verify your email if prompted and log in. The free plan in 2026 gives you access to over 60 templates, more than 140 languages and voices, and approximately 3 to 10 minutes of video generation per month. That's enough to produce 1 or 2 complete short videos and thoroughly evaluate the platform before committing to a paid plan. Once logged in, you land on the Synthesia dashboard. The left sidebar shows your projects and templates. The central area shows recent projects and recommended starting points. This is your main workspace. Starting your project. Synthesia gives you 3 ways to start a new video, and the right one depends on how much content you're bringing to the session. The first option is Templates. Click Templates in the left sidebar and browse the library. Templates are organized by use case, training, onboarding, sales, explainer, how-to, and others. Each template comes with a pre-built slide structure, a pre-selected avatar, and placeholder script text. Click any template to preview it, then click Use Template to open it as an editable project. You replace the placeholder content with your own and build from there. The second option is the AI Video Assistant. Click New Video and select the AI Assistant option. You'll see an input field where you can type a topic description, paste a URL from a web page, or upload a PDF or Word document. Type your topic, for example, a 5-minute onboarding video for new employees covering company values, communication tools, and the first week schedule. Click Generate, and Synthesia's AI reads your input, generates a script, structures it into scenes, and produces a draft video with an avatar, layout, and placeholder graphics already in place. Review the output. Edit any scenes that need adjustment, and build from that foundation. The third option is a blank canvas. Click New Video and select Start from Scratch. A single empty scene opens with a default avatar and an empty script field. Use this when you have a specific vision and want full control from scene 1 without working around a template's existing structure. For beginners, the AI Video Assistant is the fastest route to a first video. The template library is the best option when your use case matches one of the available formats. The blank canvas is for users who know exactly what they want to build. Choosing and customizing your avatar. With your project open, click on the avatar in the scene editor to open the avatar selection panel. You'll see Synthesia's full stock avatar library, over 140 diverse options across different appearances, ages, presentation styles, and professional contexts. Browse by scrolling through the grid, or use the filter options at the top. You can filter by gender, age, style. Some avatars are suited for formal corporate presentations, others for casual or conversational delivery, and by the type of shot, such as upper body only or full body. Click any avatar thumbnail to see a preview. When you find the one that fits your content, click Select, and the avatar loads into your scene preview in the center of the editor. Expressive avatars, which Synthesia labels as such in the library, automatically adjust body language and facial expressions based on the emotional tone of your script. A sentence that describes an exciting development will produce a slightly more animated expression than a sentence delivering neutral information. For training and corporate content, this makes the delivery feel more natural without requiring you to manually program gestures. To customize the avatar's position in the scene, click on the avatar in the preview and use the position controls to move it left, right, or resize it within the frame. You can also change the avatar's outfit on Select Avatars. Look for the outfit options in the avatar panel when a customizable avatar is selected. To create a personal avatar, an AI avatar that looks like you, go to your account settings and find the Personal Avatar section. You'll be guided through a consent and recording process where you record a short video of yourself speaking. Synthesia reviews the submission and generates a custom avatar based on your footage. This is available on higher tier plans. Once approved, your personal avatar appears in your avatar library alongside the stock options. Writing and editing your script. The script editor is on the right side of the scene editor. Click inside the script text field for the current scene and type or paste your script. Each scene has its own script field. A scene in Synthesia is equivalent to a slide in a presentation. It has one avatar, one background, and one block of script that the avatar delivers before the video moves to the next scene. For a structured training module, each key point or section is its own scene. For a short explainer, you might have 3 to 5 scenes total. To add a new scene, click the plus button at the bottom of the scene panel on the left side of the editor. A new blank scene appears. Click it to open it and add the script for that section. Keep individual scene scripts to a natural speaking length, around 1 to 2 minutes per scene maximum. Very long scripts in a single scene can affect avatar lip sync consistency, particularly in technical language with complex phonetics. Breaking long scripts across multiple scenes also gives you more editing flexibility if you need to update a specific section later. Once your script is entered, preview the audio by clicking the play button next to the script field. Listen for any words that sound wrong before you commit to generating the full video. To adjust pronunciation on a specific word, a product name, a technical term, a proper noun, select that word in the script and look for the pronunciation option in the text formatting controls. Click it and type a phonetic version that guides the AI to the correct pronunciation. Test it with the play button after saving. To add a gesture, a nod, a raised eyebrow, a hand movement, place your cursor in the script at the point where you want the gesture to occur, and look for the gesture or add gesture option in the editor toolbar. Select the gesture from the available options. It appears as a small marker in the script at that position and triggers at that point in the generated video. To add a pause, place your cursor where you want the pause, click Add Pause, and set the duration. 500 milliseconds is a natural sentence pause. 1 second is a deliberate beat. Pauses improve the naturalness of the delivery significantly in long scripts where sentences would otherwise run together. Selecting voice and language. Below the script field, look for the voice or language option. Click it to open the voice and language settings. Select your language from the drop-down. Synthesia supports over 140 languages. Once you've selected the language, a list of available voices for that language appears. Click any voice name to hear a preview sample. Choose the voice that fits the tone and register of your content. More formal for corporate training, more conversational for casual explainers. Voice cloning is available on higher tier plans. If you've set up a personal avatar with a cloned voice, your voice appears in the voice selector and can be used across any project. Cloning your voice means all videos produced with your personal avatar also sound like you, maintaining a consistent presenter identity across your entire video library. Adding media and branding. With your avatar script and voice set, the next step is adding visual elements to support your content. To add your company logo, look for the Insert or Media option in the left panel of the editor. Click Logo or Image, upload your logo file, and position it in the scene, typically the upper or lower corner. Set it to appear across all scenes by right-clicking the logo element and selecting Apply to all scenes. This keeps your branding consistent throughout the video without manually adding the logo to each individual scene. To add supporting images or graphics to a scene, click the Insert option and select Image. You can upload your own image files or search the integrated Shutterstock stock library directly from within Synthesia. Type a search term in the stock library search bar, browse the results, and click any image to add it to your scene. Position and resize it in the scene preview. To add a background color or a custom background image, click on the scene background in the preview and look for the background options. Select a solid color and use the color picker to match your brand colors. Or upload a custom background image, a branded slide template, a blurred office photo, a colored gradient that appears behind the avatar. For software demos and tutorials that require showing a computer screen, look for the screen recording option in the Insert panel. This lets you embed a screen recording clip directly into a scene, which the avatar narrates. The screen recording appears as a video element in the scene that you can resize and position alongside the avatar. When your scenes are built, your scripts are written and previewed, your branding is in place, and you're satisfied with the preview playback of each scene, click the Generate button in the top right corner of the editor. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Generate Video to confirm. Synthesia queues your video for rendering. The processing time depends on the total length of your video and current server load. A 2 to 3 minute video typically renders within 5 to 15 minutes. You'll receive an email notification when the video is ready, or you can monitor the status from your project's dashboard. When the video is complete, open it from your project's page. Preview the full video in the built-in player. Watch it all the way through. Listen for any pronunciation issues that slip through. Check that gesture timing lands correctly. Verify that all branding elements appear properly on every scene. If anything needs adjustment, click Edit to go back into the project editor. Make your changes to the relevant scenes, and click Generate again. Only the scenes you edited will re-render rather than the full video, which speeds up the revision process. When you're satisfied with the output, click Download to save the video as an MP4 file to your computer. Or click Share to generate a direct link you can send to viewers without requiring them to have a Synthesia account. The Share link opens the video in a clean browser player. For translated versions, look for the AI dubbing or translate option in the Video Actions menu on your project's page. Select your target languages. You can queue multiple languages simultaneously, and Synthesia generates dubbed versions of the video in each language with the avatar's lip movement resynced to match the translated audio. Each translated version is available as a separate download or share link. If you already have training content in PowerPoint, Synthesia's PowerPoint import feature is worth using as a starting point, rather than rebuilding your content from scratch. In the new video creation options, look for the Import from PowerPoint or Upload Document option. Select your PowerPoint file and upload it. Synthesia reads the slide structure. Slide titles become scene titles. Slide body text is used to generate or suggest script content for each scene. And any images on the slides are imported as visual elements. Review each generated scene. The AI uses your slide content to generate a first draft script for each scene. Edit these drafts to match your intended delivery. Replace any PowerPoint design elements that didn't import cleanly with Synthesia's own background and media options. Assign your avatar and voice across all scenes. For L&D teams with a large existing PowerPoint training library, this workflow turns existing content into AI video without rebuilding every module from zero. The initial import gives you the structure. You refine the script and visual presentation from there. Here's the complete beginner workflow. Create your free account at synthesia.io. Start your project using the AI Video Assistant for a guided first draft, a template for a specific use case format, or a blank canvas for full control. Select your avatar from the stock library or create a personal avatar. Write your script scene by scene, add pronunciation corrections, gesture markers, and pause timing. Select your language and voice. Add your logo, supporting images, and background to match your branding. Click Generate, wait for rendering, preview the full output, and make any adjustments. Download as MP4 or share via link. Use AI dubbing to generate translated versions for multilingual distribution. The free plan is enough to build your first complete video and evaluate whether Synthesia fits your production needs before upgrading. Start there, produce one real piece of content, and make the paid plan decision with actual experience rather than a feature list. Hit the like button and subscribe if this helped.